I stood by the window, watching the sky cry down. A storm on the outside, but worse when you're not around. You packed your suitcase, left your key on the floor. Now it's raining harder than it ever did before. The rain's not stopped since the night you walked away. Each drop on the rooftop got something bitter to say. I thought the clouds would clear, thought the hurt would fade, but the rain's not stopped, and I'm the one who stayed. Coffee gone cold, your cup's still sitting there, lipstick on the rim, like you're still in the air. I played that old record, the one we used to dance to, but it don't sound the same. Nothing sounds the same without you. The rain's not stopped since the night you walked away. Every thunder roll keeps whispering your name. I keep hoping for sunlight, but it never breaks, 'cause the rain's not stopped, and neither has the ache. I begged you to stay, but your silence said enough. Now I'm drowning in the memory of a love that gave up. You found your dry land while I sink below, in a house full of water with nowhere left to go. No, the rain's not stopped since the night you walked away. It's flooding my soul, washing every dream away. Maybe one day it'll clear, but for now I pray the rain's not stopped, and maybe it don't want to.